Good morning. We're going to continue learning about our trigonometric ratios that we will be using to solve for side lengths. Okay, they had written the mnemonic this way. I prefer to go through it up and down so that I can have my words written off to the side. So again, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay, now trigonometric ratios will relate the side lengths of a right triangle, and I drew triangle ABC there for you, to its acute angles. So we're going to look briefly here at what these would be. You notice I put theta up here at angle A. So for sine of theta, we're going to be at theta, and it's going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Let me go ahead and put some letters here so that we know when we have our relationship set up. So if we have the sine of theta, it's opposite over hypotenuse. So the sine of theta, whatever that theta equals, is going to be A over B. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So here we are at theta, and we're going to look at cosine. Well, that's going to be the adjacent here. So cosine of theta, okay, and adjacent is C, and then over hypotenuse, which is B. And then our last one to look at is tangent. So tangent of theta, and we have tangent as opposite over adjacent. So opposite of theta is A, and adjacent is C. So we have tangent of theta, and opposite is A, and adjacent is C. In our next portion, we will go ahead and put some numbers in this so that you can see how this works.